In the vast landscape of human ingenuity, it's often the simplest innovations that quietly assert their dominance. Today, let's unravel the fascinating journey of one such humble creation, the paperclip. This small, twisted piece of wire has become an indispensable part of everyday life and a quintessential office staple. But how did it go from a seemingly forgettable idea to a ubiquitous tool in the world of work? The history of the paperclip dates back to the late 19th century. While there were numerous attempts at devising a device to hold sheets of paper together, it was Johan Vaaler, a Norwegian inventor, who received a patent in 1899 for what is widely recognized as the first paperclip. Interestingly, Vaaler's design lacked the elegant loops that we associate with a modern paperclip, but it laid the foundational blueprint that would soon evolve. However, it wasn't Vaaler's creation that caught on. Instead, it was the gem paperclip, developed by the Gem Manufacturing Company in England, which became the design standard. This double-oval, looped shape, practically unchanged to this day, offered sophisticated simplicity and unparalleled functionality. Yet, in an intriguing twist, the gem design was never patented. This absence of a patent meant that the gem-style paperclip could be manufactured worldwide without legal constraints, paving the way for its global proliferation. But what exactly makes the paperclip so effective? At its core, the genius lies in its simplicity. The paperclip's tension locks sheets of paper securely, while its elasticity allows it to be easily removed and reused without damaging the paper. This elegant yet practical design has secured its place in offices, schools, and homes across the globe. As we delve deeper into history, the paperclip's story takes an unexpected turn during World War II. Due to its association with Johan Vaaler, the paperclip became a symbol of resistance in Nazi-occupied Norway. Norwegians wore paperclips on their lapels as a quiet protest against German occupation, a testament to the profound significance an everyday item can hold. In the decades following the war, the paperclip continued to thrive. With its utility unmarred by technological advances, its role remains firmly established within office and school supply kits. It stands as a beacon of minimalist design and functional innovation, embodying the philosophy that less is often more. Today, the paperclip is celebrated not merely for its practical application, but also for its cultural symbolism. It represents unity, efficiency, and the power of a simple idea to change the way we work and organize. This tiny yet mighty piece of metal serves as a reminder that even the most straightforward concepts can hold immense value in our lives. In conclusion, the story of the paperclip is one of innovation, adaptation, and significance. From its neglected beginnings to its revered status as a symbol of resistance and the pinnacle of pragmatic design, the paperclip teaches us an important lesson. No idea, however small, should be underestimated. It is sometimes the seemingly insignificant inventions that make the most significant impact, steadfastly clipping together the pages of our histories and daily routines.